Okay, so in this video we're going to do another example of how to solve an application type problem. And so I'm going to read the problem to you again, so make sure you write down the information and go through that list. So we're going to ask yourselves, okay, what are the unknowns? What are the knowns? What are the relationships? The estimation, and then the calculation. Then I'm missing one here, hold on. So knowns, unknowns, knowns, relationships, and then we have estimation, calculation and interpretation, last one I forgot. So let me read it to you, and again, just follow along and read and write some of this stuff down. So it says, Carly Ann McNally needs to ship 78 crystal vases. With standard packing to prevent damage, 5 vases fit in each available box. How many boxes are required to pack the vases? So the unknown fact is what we're trying to find out, right? What are we trying to find? We're trying to find out how many boxes are needed to ship these vases. So we need to know the number of boxes needed. That's the unknown. Now, what is known? Well, we have 70 vases are to be shipped, and each box contains 5 vases, or can hold 5 vases. So we have 78 vases to ship, and each box holds 5 vases. Okay, so now, what's the relationship between the knowns and unknowns? Well, again, we're trying to find out how many boxes are needed. Okay, 78 vases are being shipped. 5 vases will fit to a box. And again, so what are we doing? We're trying to figure out how many groups of 5 come out of 78. So this is a division problem again. And so we need to find, okay, so X equals the number of boxes needed. So that's going to be equal to the 78, number of vases divided by 5 vases per box. And so now we do our calculation, or actually estimation. Let's do our estimation. So what would be an estimated value? Well, if we do 80 divided by 5 is 16. So it'll be approximately 16 boxes, maybe even 16 boxes. Okay? So it should be around there. So let's do the math now. Let's calculate it. So we know that it's going to be the number of vases divided by 5. And so if we do the division, okay. So what does this mean? So we got 15 boxes, but we have 3 vases left over. Well, we still have to ship those vases, right? So we're going to end up putting those vases in their own box, right? We can't just keep them. If the order was for 78, we got to ship 78. So what this means is we're going to have 16 boxes that we're going to use. We have to use 16 boxes. 15 of those boxes are going to be completely full with 5 vases, and the last one will only have 3 vases in there. So it'll have some extra packing. Okay, but that's the answer. Have a great day.